I'm Paul Mines, Chief Executive of Biome Technologies. Over the last 2 years, revenues in our bioplastics business have accelerated as both new and existing customers deploy our sustainable materials across the globe. And it's no surprise why. The 2017 episode of Blue Planet and the raft of programs, articles and research that followed turned the tide on plastics for good. Citizens and governments woke up to the fact that we cannot continue to enjoy the convenience of plastic without facing the issues of how to dispose of them. And this wasn't simply a short-lived media hype. The age of plastics as we knew them is coming to an end. By manufacturing plastics from plants, Biome creates materials that are truly biodegradable and compostable, a natural, complete disposal solution. Our source biomass also captures carbon dioxide as it grows, further reducing the environmental footprint. Composting should be the natural disposal choice for plastic contaminated with food or organic waste, such as food packaging, cutlery, coffee cups, food waste bags, and agricultural plastics. Take the humble coffee pod, a plastic item that is so contaminated with coffee that recycling isn't feasible. Our materials mean both pod and coffee can be composted together, an end-of-life solution that makes both environmental and economic sense. We believe that plant-based and biodegradable plastics will become the go-to choice for brands the world over. Governments and industry coalitions are supporting this change. For example, the Plastic Pact commits brands to reach 70% recyclable or compostable plastics by 2025. The UK government are rolling out compost waste collection for all houses in the next few years. And they've also put bio-based plastics at the heart of their clean growth strategy. Our pipeline of inquiries and commercial opportunities continues to build as more and more brands accept that conventional damaging materials no longer cut it with their consumers. Our strategic focus is on high-performance materials that solve the challenges of durability, temperature tolerance, and barrier protection, opening up new market opportunities for our customers. Perhaps the greatest testament to the strong foundations that we have built over the last decade is the fact that we have continued to grow and reach new customers during this particularly challenging time. We have a highly experienced commercial and technical team, a growing portfolio of developed products, and a flexible operational model of contract-based manufacturing in both Europe and the USA. Looking to the future, we have directed more than £6 million of grant-supported funding, working with leading UK universities to develop novel polymers using advanced biotechnology. This work is producing new plant-based materials for the next generation of high-performance biodegradable plastics. I believe that we will look back on a world that was once clogged with oil-based plastics and wonder that there was ever a time that all plastics weren't produced from sustainable sources and naturally disposed of at the end of their useful lifetimes. Biome's bioplastics division is driving that change. So why not join us?